Hey crypto curious folks. Ever wondered about diving into the world of Bitcoin? Maybe you've heard the stories, seen the charts, and figured, hey, maybe there's something to this whole crypto thing after all. But then, a crucial question pops up. Where do you actually keep your Bitcoin? This is where platforms like Wealthsimple come in. They offer a seemingly easy way to buy and sell Bitcoin, but there's a key detail you might be missing. Does Wealthsimple actually give you a Bitcoin wallet? The answer, like most things in crypto, isn't a simple yes or no. Buckle up, because we're about to unpack the world of custodial wallets, hot storage, and what it all means for your Bitcoin on Wealthsimple. Imagine your Bitcoin like fancy cars, but digital. Think of your Bitcoin like a high-performance car. It's powerful, needs a safe place to park, and if something goes wrong, you want to make sure it's protected. There are two main ways to store your car. Your own garage. This is like a non-custodial wallet. You have complete control over your Bitcoin, like keeping the keys to your garage. But just like a car, it's your responsibility to keep it safe from theft or damage. Valet parking. This is like a custodial wallet with a platform like Wealthsimple. They hold your Bitcoin for you, similar to a valet keeping your car keys. It's convenient, but you're trusting someone else with your prized possession. Wealthsimple, the valet for your Bitcoin. Wealthsimple offers custodial wallets. This means they hold your Bitcoin for you, storing it securely, supposedly, and making it easy to buy and sell. It's perfect for beginners who might not be comfortable with the complexities of managing their own wallet. But here's the catch. With a custodial wallet, you don't technically own the private keys to your Bitcoin. Those keys are held by Wealthsimple. It's like giving the valet your car keys and trusting them to keep your car safe and sound. The great crypto debate, custody versus control. There's a constant debate in the crypto world about custodial versus non-custodial wallets. Here's a breakdown of the pros and cons to help you decide which is right for you. Custodial wallets, like Wealthsimple. Pros: easy to use, convenient for beginners, secure storage offered by the platform. Cons: you don't truly own your Bitcoin, they hold the keys, less control over your funds, potential security risks if the platform gets hacked. Non-custodial wallets. Pros: you have complete control over your Bitcoin and the private keys, increased security if you manage them properly. Cons: requires more technical knowledge, higher risk of losing your Bitcoin if you lose your private keys. The Wealthsimple wallet breakdown, hot versus cold storage. While Wealthsimple uses custodial wallets, they actually store your Bitcoin in two places. Hot wallets, a small portion of your Bitcoin is kept online for easy buying and selling. Think of it like keeping a spare set of keys with the valet for quick access. Cold storage, the majority of your Bitcoin is held offline and secure, vault-like storage. This is like keeping your car in a high-security parking garage. Wealthsimple claims to use industry-leading security practices for both hot and cold storage, but remember, even the most secure systems can be vulnerable. So, can you truly hold Bitcoin on Wealthsimple? In a technical sense, no. You don't hold the private keys, so you don't have complete ownership. But for most users, especially beginners, Wealthsimple offers a secure and convenient way to buy, sell, and hold Bitcoin. The final gear shift, choosing the right crypto path. Ultimately, the decision depends on your comfort level and crypto goals. If you're a beginner or prioritize convenience, Wealthsimple's custodial wallet might be a good fit. But if you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast who values complete control, a non-custodial wallet might be the way to go. Remember, with great crypto power comes great responsibility. Do your research, understand the risks, and choose the path that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.